Credit cards can be super handy. But for many, they're a trap. And the biggest trick? The minimum payment. Meet Lisa. She owes $3,000 on her credit card. Her statement says, minimum payment, $60. She thinks, great, I can handle that. But what she doesn't realize is that paying only the minimum means it will take her more than 15 years to pay it off. And she'll end up paying over $6,000 in interest. So, what's the lesson here? Minimum payments are designed to keep you in debt. The only way out is to pay more than the minimum. Or better yet, avoid the trap altogether. Break free from the credit card trap. Subscribe to Boring Finance Tips for real strategies to escape debt.